Hello guys, welcome to an empty table. I took it all off at the weekend, just gone. Obviously it's Monday evening now. Just about approaching March. So we're going to set up reset up a temporary track system just to run some trains. Nothing much more. Basically just to run some locomotives. So we're just going to get some track together to run some trains on it for tonight. Some wants to see much more cooler things to run on the track. Meow. I'm going to be running just certain locos tonight, being this is all temporary setup layout, so there won't be much going on, but there will be some things going on because they're building up a little track system, because I'm mostly focused on very soon on the proper layout soon, so I know no point in me building anything big and fancy on this table too much. Not any use to build anything fancy on this layout on this table anymore, because I'm focused on building my board up on my proper railway. When you get those railways, the proper railway is going to be much more fancier, bigger. Well, not bigger, but basically more fancier, just how it looks and how it runs. Yes, I haven't looked at the Class 105 yet, but I will. Because I haven't got to it yet. Got loads of points to play with. Yes, but what are you doing? Meow. You having a good day today? There we are. I'm talking about basically building my proper Model OS series very soon for my proper layout, because I haven't done it yet. I haven't got that far, but I'm still basically working on coaching it, and it's basically going to be one track running on this temporary system. The proper one's on a smaller board with my permanent dream layout, which won't be until the beginning of next month, which will be, is it tomorrow? Or is it the day after? I can't remember. I cannot remember. It's been odd February this month. I'm in shorts and tank top. I know, it's supposed to be warm for February, but I expect at some point it's going to get cold with how warm it's been so long recently. And it's crazy warm for what's left of winter. June's on the way, but spring will probably be colder. But are you running locomotives, bigger locomotives tonight or shorter ones? Locomotives for tonight we're running, I'm not sure actually. I'm probably running shorter ones tonight, just because there's obviously, I've got so much still to do with the proper road. You will see, just not now. I'm just making a start on it at the beginning of next month. Probably on like 5th or something, and then April I'll be having actually a couple of weeks off and filming, doing kind of break from filming, or something like that generally. And then we've just got a bend. I know a lot of people say, well, what about the bubble out? My bubble out again will be in April, well in March actually, or starting March. April will be more extensive level of it, and then by summer it should be a level where you can start putting cork down and ballast and everything else by then, but it's just that the slow progress right now, which is why I'm running locomotives on the temporary track system. When I'm selling this table, the contents table, well, probably as soon as I can get everything organised on it, and you know, bits and pieces like that, because I have sort of things out first on it beforehand. And here's a good big contents table. Because, well, it takes a while to organise everything, and as I'm organising things a little bit apart from, yes. And I know some people say, oh, crazy is wearing shorts in February. Well, it's only just the end of February, so, you know, because February is quite a short month of the year. It's not the shortest month of the year. Gone past that already. But, yeah. Yes, the bubble out will be based on our line, so anything can go on it. Just for recommendations for those that are new to the channel, it's all going to be based off a heritage line. So nothing that's going to be too fancy on this temporary setup, which is just temporary, okay? On this table it's all temporary. And the proper railway, the proper dream out of mine will be revealed in sometime next month. We'll be starting to build it, and by the summer hopefully we'll be ready to go for, by the summer we should be ready to go. So I'll have this table basically until autumn this year, so, and basically what this note will be based excuse me, well, my proper layout will be based on this heritage line. The stuff you see on this table is all temporary, but the track is permanent for me. The track is sits on this table. It will go on my proper layout. My proper dreamland is going to take a long time to build, and basically we'll see basically what's close to be finishing. But to be honest, it's never truly, you never truly finish your dream layout, because you're always tinkering with it, you're always adding to it all the time. Also make sure you, if you like the video, make sure you like, and you wouldn't be posting, you know, being notified when a new video goes up. You just make sure you like and subscribe. And also make sure you turn on phone notifications. You can follow me on my Twitter if you wish to. And you can also follow my Instagram page, because I do post quite often on Instagram actually. But yeah, that's what I can say really. But let's just get a train running on this tonight and see how that gets on. Let's see. Yes, the proper layout will be permanent. Once I build it, it will stay on my board forever. It won't be, you know, someone will say, once I build my proper layout, it's going to be a very slow progress, but in the long term it will stay permanent. But it will be just a slow progress to build it. And yes, all the sidings you see on this temporary layout. The track is basically going to be based on my proper layout, my dream layout. This is the Hornby 00 train set. It's funny that I'm running Hornby track. Well, the Hornby track with a Hornby Class 43 in GNER livery. So that's pretty cool, isn't it? Yes, I haven't fixed the wheels properly yet. I'm still working on that. I know it's still not very good for a locomotive, for what it is. Still being very stingy for what it did to it, but I'm going to have to try my best to just let her run as she is without me fiddling with it too much, because it could be just a pain in the bum to deal with. So Leslie's got the HST on, we can just get a good view of that. It's slightly further over, but that's not too bad. So it's only going to last me another 7 months really. Not 7 months, but I don't know how long it's 7 months. I think it's about August, so which makes sense. There we go. Yes, I will get the track from the third. I haven't got it sorted yet, but I will post it very soon. I'll be on the post tomorrow. I just want to get my maps or my laptop sorted. So I have to build it quickly on my laptop. My poor laptop is showing age too much and then it's just not closing the finger on it, so I could do a live video at some point, but I haven't been able to do it yet. It's split up a bit.